अब हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बैठे हुए हैं, 1-2 नेपाल से, 3-4 नेपाल से, इंडिया से, अमृतसर और लाहौर से। व्हाट ए वंडरफुल कॉम्बिनेशन, यू नो। मुझे ये लगता है it is the global family we're sitting here at the moment.
Music is the soul connector and it's the universal language. जब म्यूज़िक की बात होती है तो देखा नहीं जाता किस मुल्क में कौन सी दरारें या बॉर्डर्स बीच में आते हैं. It's just flows naturally. तो जब हम सिर्फ एक गिटार के साथ बजा रहे थे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ खालीपन है. जब हम कॉन्सर्ट्स में जा रहे थे लग रहा था कुछ और होना चाहिए इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग. तो बस एक सोच थी हल्की छोटी सी कि क्यों ना हमारे साथ कुछ और लोग जुड़ जाएं इसमें. और बस यूनिवर्स का कमाल है कि एक के बाद एक ऐसे टैलेंटेड लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ते रहे.
वॉइस आजकल, आवर मीडियम, योर मैसेज.
Good day everyone, my name is Navneet Anand from Voice Ajkal, our medium, your message. Today I'm sitting here in Sydney City with the band Sarhad. Yes, Sarhad, India, Pakistan, Nepal, and we're sitting in Australia at the moment. Guys, what a wonderful performance.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Sarhad, Abhi and Rai se meri mulaqat probably around a year ago back in Voice Ajkal studio hui. How has the journey been from that day? Abhi, आपसे शुरू करूँगा.
I would say, sir, it's been a pleasure. हम इतने passionately दोनों म्यूज़िक बना रहे थे और समय कैसे बीता कुछ पता नहीं लगा, कुछ अंदाज़ा नहीं लगा. अली, आप क्या सोचते हैं?
So we've been very productive and we've been performing everywhere, and now we have found these people with us.
So why not? We introduce the whole band.
Sure.
Start with you.
So my name is Chetan and I play the piano for Sarhad project.
I am Dishan and I am the drummer for the Sarhad project.
अभी आपका दोबारा introduction.
Sure. So my name is Abhinav Bose and I am the rhythm guitarist and a vocalist for Sarhad band.
My name is Raeli Imam and I'm the lead vocalist of Sarhad project.
Hi, my name is Simesh. I play lead guitars for Sarhad.
Hi, my name is Silas and I play bass for Sarhad project.
You know, एक बात मैं बताना चाहूँगा. अब हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बैठे हुए हैं, 1-2 नेपाल से, 3-4 नेपाल से, इंडिया से, अमृतसर और लाहौर से. What a wonderful combination, you know. मुझे ये लगता है it is the global family we're sitting here at the moment. Story of the band, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं अभी 3 कंट्रीज से,
जी.
चौथी कंट्री में बैठे हुए, आपस में कैसे कैसे मिले?
I would say, sir, music is the soul connector and it's the universal language. जब म्यूज़िक की बात होती है तो देखा नहीं जाता किस मुल्क में कौन सी दरारें या बॉर्डर्स बीच में आते हैं. It's just flows naturally. So छोटी सी एक विजन थी राय और मेरी कि हम कुछ ऐसा करें कि हमें लोग सुनने आए. तो जब हम सिर्फ एक गिटार के साथ बजा रहे थे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ खालीपन है. जब हम कॉन्सर्ट्स में जा रहे थे लग रहा था कुछ और होना चाहिए इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग. तो बस एक सोच थी हल्की छोटी सी कि क्यों ना हमारे साथ कुछ और लोग जुड़ जाएं इसमें. और बस यूनिवर्स का कमाल है कि एक के बाद एक ऐसे टैलेंटेड लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ते रहे. हमने पूरे 6-8 महीने ऑडिशन करा होगा. बहुत अच्छे टैलेंट मिले हमें. बट वॉट वी आर वेरी प्राउड इज वी हैव पिक्ड द बेस्ट टैलेंट इन सिडनी.
So I'm sitting in the best of Sydney at the moment. How has your experience been इस band को join करने के बाद?
It was like very casual conversation because it was the first day. मैंने अभी को क्लास में, हम क्लासमेट भी है.
अच्छा.
हम क्लास में साथ में थे.
और ये एक ऐसा किस्सा है कि वो कोई प्लान वाला नहीं था. बस कैजुअली मैंने ऐसे ही पूछ लिया. उसने मुझे पूछा पहले तो आप म्यूजिक करते हो? And I said yeah. And he said like I'm like forming a band. बस ऐसे ही बता रहा था. और मैंने पूछा बेसिस चाहिए तो बोलना मुझे.
This was the conversation element, sir, because bassist is the hardest person to find. और मैं पिछले 8 महीने से ऑडिशन जब कर रहा था एक भी बेसिस नहीं मिला. तो मैं अंदर दुआ कर रहा था काश एक बेसिस मिल जाए. और ये सर एक बार आते हैं कैफेटेरिया में कहते हैं हाय आई एम अ बेसिस्ट. ऐसे हुआ.
और मैंने ऐसे बोला क्योंकि मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा था इन टर्म्स लाइक म्यूजिक. वी हैड इन सिडनी बैंड वगैरह कुछ नहीं था. म्यूजिक में ले ऑलमोस्ट लाइक डेड हो चुका था क्योंकि वो अब साथ में कोई होंगे तो बजाएंगे, नहीं तो फिर काम वगैरह पढ़ाई में बिजी हो जाएगा. तो मैंने डायरेक्टली ऐसे पूछ लिया कि आर यू लुकिंग फॉर बेसिस्ट एंड ही जस्ट से लाइक वी आर इन नीड ऑफ बेसिस्ट.
मेरा चेहरा
Here we go. Sumesh.
I've had such a wonderful journey so far. I mean, I was just like a bedroom player, So I would just sit and play.
अच्छा बाथरूम सिंगर सुना bedroom जो है
So like I used to play a lot of stuff. Abhi and I go way back. Abhi and I used to work together. So this was a while back. So and back then we used to just talk about music all the time. And we've been friends with each other. Instagram पे इधर उधर. So like we used to just chat every now and then. मैं ऐसे like I used to put videos and stuff. So he used to comment saying, oh, bhai, you're doing good. Maybe we'll do something someday. I said like yeah. So I was just sitting like मैंने तो like कुछ I hadn't thought of anything. So he just reached out to me. One day he messaged me. He said like I've got this band. I knew because I was used to see his like stories and stuff. तो वो post करता रहता था. So like he used to post his like with him and Rai doing Sarath like stuff. So I was very proud of him, like वो जो किसी कर रहा था. I used to make a lot of comments and like I used to tell him you're doing good, keep going. So he reached out to me and I feel like मैं तो like I was like very happy क्योंकि like I wanted to do something of my own. I've been playing for so many years, so कभी ऐसा like I was never out and played.
This is just
this
the
is like,
beginning.
Yeah, this is just the beginning. So like I was just randomly just playing, just sitting in my room playing. So like he reached out to me and I was very happy. So
yeah, and then बताना चाहूँगा सर ज़रूर कि सुमेश भाई को मैं इतने टाइम से जानता हूँ, बट मेरी कभी हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं आगे से जाऊँ उनको अप्रोच करूँ, बिकॉज एक तो बड़े भाई हैं, दूसरा ऐसा बजाते हैं ये कि लाइक मेरे लिए गिटार के गुरु हैं मेरे, इस तरह से हैं. तो मतलब लगा था कि सुमेश भाई औकात से बाहर है, ये नहीं आएंगे.
ये बहुत like this is like I appreciate वो मुझे बहुत like value करता है, like the way he talks about me, he speaks highly of me and I really appreciate. So like I feel really special, like I feel humbled though, like he called me to join the band and then I was very happy. So also like I had to reach out to Dishan as well, वो मेरा friend, like we've been friends for a long time now. So we used to talk a lot. तो हमारा भी like उसका अपना कुछ scene चल रहा था, like we used to talk, maybe we should do something together. कुछ ऐसा like jam band sort of करते हैं, like but it never came because life scene में बहुत busy है, like you have to work, you have to like uni or like जो कुछ भी like it's pretty busy now all the time. So I didn't really had time वो मेरे लिए भी, but like when Avi reached out to me, so I reached out to him and then yeah he joined with us. And
दिशा अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता. What was your reaction जब आपको बोला गया सरहद ज्वाइन करने की इनविटेशन आई है?
So for me, I've been playing with other bands and I've got a band on other band as well, and it's a different genre from this one. So I was always looking for something slightly different genre for what I used to play. I used to play like more into rock, so slightly different. And I've tried out with other people as well, just doesn't work. And he reached out to me and he said, okay, there's another opportunity, this is something different. And I had a look at the genre and okay, this sounds good to me, it's suitable. And the next thing was I need to play with good musicians. Just playing is not enough, but you need to bond with someone. And then he showed me the Instagram clips and they were like good. And he also sent me a clip of Chetan playing and perfect, no brainer, and there we go. I'm in.
Chetan.
So I think it's very interesting how me and Abhi met, because we were at a satsang.
अच्छा.
So I was supposed to play that day for them, but I got late. So we were sitting together, we were sitting next to each other, but we didn't know. And then my friend, he introduced me to Abhi and he said, and we were just talking, and Abhi said, I have this band, I'm forming this band, I'm looking for a pianist. I want someone who can like play piano, like give that extra flavor and sort of like elevate that music. And I said, because I had been playing for some time, and it had been a while before I started in Sydney. And then when he said that he's forming a band, I was like very happy. So I said, okay, let's have a jam, like let's jam sometime. And then we were jamming one day, and then pretty much I was satisfied. I was like, yeah, I'm in.
ये
So
आप देख रहे हैं सर, छोटा पैकेट है पर बड़ा धमाका है ये.
ना एक बात बता दूं, all the good things come in small packets. सचिन तेंदुलकर को देखिए,
जी,
आप ए.आर. रहमान को देखिए और चेतन को देखिए.
बिल्कुल.
अभी मुझे जैमिन पटेल मिले थे कैट एंटरटेनमेंट से, तो उन्होंने मुझे रिवील किया कि सरहद बैंड उनके किसी शो में परफॉर्म करने जा रहा है.
जी.
उसके बारे में बताइए.
आई वुड से इन सब लड़कों के चेहरों पे वो एक एक्साइटमेंट दिख रही होगी आपको कि जैमिन भाई का जब एक कॉल और मैसेज आया हमें कि हम ऐसे एक शो करने जा रहे हैं.
शो कौन सा, पहले ये बताओ.
तो ये शो है सचिन जिगर, जो कि बॉलीवुड के सबसे कमाल डुओ हैं, द बेस्ट म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स एज वेल एज सिंगर्स. दे आर कमिंग टू सिडनी 29th of June को हिलसॉन्ग कन्वेंशन सेंटर में वो लोग आ रहे हैं. And this opportunity that Jamin bhai gave us, it was to open for this awesome duo. So we were extremely thrilled. Or Hillsong जैसी venue, which is a convention center with Atif Aslam, likes of like
You
we have
name
Ali
it.
Zafar. So many people have
Huh?
performed there. So being on that stage in front of so many people, plus opening for this duo, was a golden opportunity for all of us. और अभी जो band बना है हमारा, it was a best platform for us.
What was your reaction सचिन जिगर के बारे में जब आपको पता चला you would be opening the concert?
I was very excited first. Nervous a bit क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी audience आने वाली है, but excited. Especially जब ये हम दो होते तो I feel तब I would have been more nervous. But इन सब के साथ it's all gonna be okay.
Believe हुआ?
Yeah, like nahi, like 'cause when Abhi, like when he texted me, like he was telling me there's something big coming up, and I was like, oh okay, like a show or something. I didn't know it was going to be this big. So like when he
नहीं, 3-4
first,
हजार लोग.
yeah, I don't know.
Good for a
So-
bedroom
Good for a bedroom. Yeah, good for a bedroom. So like when he told me, I was very surprised. So like I called him instantly. I said, I don't know this is gonna happen. Like I'm not sure this is gonna happen because he told. Like I was pretty shocked, you know. I was pretty, yeah. That was very out of the blue, so like you know when he told me, because I was thinking like maybe a minor show or something, like you know I didn't know it was gonna be this big. So I was pretty surprised, but very excited. But like there's a lot we need to work on. Maybe as a band, we're still trying to figure things out. So like yeah.
So what are the plans
For this show, particularly?
for this particular show?
I would say first things off, we put our working boots on and we are like completely thrilled to perform. तो उसके लिए हमने we have engaged our brand manager as well as our audio engineer. They are the guiding people for us in this journey. उन्होंने हमें exactly guide करा है कि ये ऐसे setlist बनना चाहिए, ऐसे audience का excitement level ऊपर आ जाना चाहिए, ऐसे control करना अपने ambience. तो अली और बताएगा इसके बारे में.
Yeah, I think the feel of the performance matters a lot. और उसी पे हम काम कर रहे हैं. उसी पे we have planned a lot of sessions together.
Yeah, the boys are working really hard.
Yeah, really hard. So it's gonna be good. Yeah.
सिडनी ऑडियंस को मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा, अभी मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए थे. इनकी परफॉर्मेंस देख के मैं ये नहीं कह सकता दिस इज़ ए न्यूली फॉर्म बैंड विच विल बी परफॉर्मिंग इन सच ए बिग ऑडियंस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. Trust me, the performance before the Sachin Jigar comes on stage is going to be great. It's at Hillsong Center, 29th of June, starting at 7 p.m. Jamin Bhai, thank you so much for giving me a chance to talk to these wonderful people. I'll probably leave the conversation here and let the audience decide on 29th of June before Sachin Jigar comes on show. See, there's such a wonderful band called Sarhad, India, Pakistan, Nepal, performing in Australia. My name is Nafneed Anand, signing out for Voice Ajkal, our medium, your message. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Triji Times. Be with the times.